Summary test. Quiz instructions. Read the text below titled An Account of the Moon Landing, then summarize the text. Your summary should identify the text's central idea, give at least 2 supporting details from the text that develop the central idea, use your own words, and any words that you need to quote from the text should be put in quotes. And lastly, just summarize what the text says. Don't give your opinions about the moon landing or the text. Here's the text that we're going to summarize. As we read, think about what the text's central idea is and how the author develops that central idea with supporting details. An account of the moon landing, July 20th, 1969. After years of preparing for it and centuries of dreaming about it, human beings made it to the moon today. At just before 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening, commander of the Apollo 11 mission, Neil Armstrong, became the first human to step onto the lunar surface. "That's one small step for man," he stated, his crackling voice broadcast in radios across Earth. "One giant leap for mankind." Astronaut Buzz Aldrin soon joined him, adding his own voice to the excited chorus. "Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful, a magnificent desolation." Armstrong and Aldrin spent a little over 2 hours together on the surface of the moon, leaving long-lasting footprints, both on the lunar surface and in the hearts of the humans on Earth, who stared breathlessly at their television screens, awaiting NASA's updates. Meanwhile, the third Apollo 11 astronaut, Michael Collins, orbited the moon in the command module, awaiting good news from Armstrong and Aldrin. Had they made it? Would they return? 2 hours on the moon was plenty of time for Armstrong and Aldrin to collect more lunar data than Earth scientists have ever had. They took photos that may resolve many mysteries of the moon's geology. They collected an astounding 50 pounds of moon rocks and soil, which scientists can use to track the history of the solar system. They began experiments whose results will one day reveal whether the moon's core is more like Earth's or more like a meteorite's. When the astronauts planted the stem of the American flag into the moon's soil, it was in celebration of the nation's innovation and commitment to knowledge. Upon their return to the lunar module, Armstrong and Aldrin received a call from 240,000 miles away. President Nixon wished to congratulate them on their successes. But the journey is not yet over. After spending the night in the lunar module on the moon's surface, the astronauts must reconnect tomorrow with Collins and the command module and begin their descent. Assuming all goes according to plan, the Apollo 11 team will reach the Earth's surface next Thursday afternoon. Despite their preparation, the astronauts know that a successful return is no guarantee. In outer space, there are no guarantees. July 20th, 1969, a profound day in the history of humanity. Ancient astronomers, mathematicians, artists, and poets have long turned their heads to the sky, searching for answers that seemed light years beyond reach. Today, with the work and courage of the Apollo 11 astronauts, those answers are for the first time underfoot. Now that we've read the text carefully, you are going to summarize the text. Remember, your summary should identify the text's central idea, give at least 2 supporting details from the text that develop the central idea, use your own words. Any words you need to quote from the text should be put in quotation marks, and just summarize what the text says. Don't give your opinions about the moon landing or the text. You'll write your summary in this box below.